This is my Mini-Max 25-inch wide wide belt sander. It's made by Scmi. It's got a 15 horsepower 3-phase motor. I'll give you guys a little tour of it. It's got 2 feed rates, one for rough stock removal and one for finish sanding. That's right there. And this is the inside. It's got a platen there. That's what the adjustment's for, to move that up and down for finish sanding. That's the feed motor for the belt. That's a wood block we put on to attach a big outfeed table to. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you guys.